guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day and life is treating you well. So let's not ramble and get right into this video. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can do stickers on Procreate and how I make my stickers on Procreate. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so here I have all of these stickers that I made. So as you can see, I have 8 layers for every single sticker, but I like to work with multiple layers and then I will merge them to one layer. So I duplicated the document and now I have these ones right here. We are gonna recreate every single one of these so you can kind of get like the sense of how it works. So I'm not gonna select these ones first, so I'm gonna show you. The first layer that I have, layer number 1, are the lines. So basically, as you can see, I just created a layer. You can create layers on the top right here. And basically I created a layer. Went to brush, I like to use inking the studio pen. Then the first sticker, I am going to recreate the first sticker and show you how you can do it. So first you're gonna select a new layer. So we're gonna add a new layer and we are gonna drag this layer below everything. So just for organization, everything that we do is gonna be below everything that I already did. So to make the kind of rainbow, I did a color palette. So basically I just selected the colors that I wanted and I did my own color palette. So as I said, I am using the studio pen and I am just adjusting the size that I want. We're gonna use 40%. No, we're gonna use 35%. I am going to press onto the screen and if you move it, you can just select a color. So I'm gonna select that color and it is very simple. This one, we are just going to make like circular motions, kind of an oval shape, and there you go. Next, we are going to keep on doing that. So you can erase, you can undo everything if you don't like it. There we go. We're gonna keep doing this. Let's turn out better than this one. And the final color is like a pinkish tone. Let's do that. Okay, do that. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but you wanna do it as you like. And basically that is how I did this sticker. I am going to select the sticker and just build up the size. First one down. Let's do the like and subscribe sticker. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna press the plus sign. We are gonna select that, and so this one is a little bit harder because we are gonna work with layers, but basically what we're gonna do is start off making like the cloud shapes. So let's select this color. I'm gonna try my best to do this the same way. So, oh, it's 2. Let's use a 20%. No. Let's use a 10%. Okay, so there you go. So if you want to fill the cloud with the same color, you just need to drag the color onto the cloud, and there you go. So this is gonna be our first layer. So let's select it and put it a little bit down. So to make it a little bit more easy, let's just duplicate it 3 times because there are 3 different clouds. But what we're gonna do is change up the color. So this layer is the first one we have right here. This one is going to be the one above it. So let's select and make it a little bit smaller. And if you drag, it will paint the cloud. So let's do that with the other cloud that's left. Select, move. Okay, so let's select the color and then drag. So what we want to have is the first layer on top of each one. So we are gonna put the mustard color first, then the pink one. That is the order that you want to have your clouds. So first is gonna be the mustard, then the pink one, and then we have the green one. So that is the order, and that is how you make these clouds. So what I like to do when I'm finished with this is just merge them like this. And there you go, you just have one layer. So to write the like and the subscribe, we are gonna make another layer. So first one is gonna go above the clouds. So layer number 8. So this layer we are gonna write like with white. So I like using the same studio pen. I'm gonna press down and just write as you wish the like. So that is how I did the like, and we are gonna select it and basically just move it to the center, and you can make it bigger if you like, but I'm gonna leave it there. So that is how I did the like, and to do the subscribe, I like making another layer. So we're gonna go to layer 9 and we're gonna write subscribe. So the subscribe is in another color. So what I like to do is go very, very zoomed in to the iPad and have a tiny brush size, like a, and you're just gonna drag it like this. So now that we have the subscribe, we're gonna select it and put it the size that we want, and we're gonna put it on the center of like. And we can now merge every single layer, layer 9, 8, and 7. And now we have a single sticker. So now we're gonna do this happy birthday one. Okay, so now I'm gonna put another layer, and this one goes below. So first I'm gonna select the color that I want. That is it. I'm gonna select studio pen as well. And basically, we just need to do a circle. And if you go to edit shape, you can press circle, and there you go. So right after you do that, you're gonna drag and paint the entire circle. So now for the happy birthday, let's do happy first. So another layer, and this one goes above the circle. So we're gonna select the color. We're gonna adjust these brush size, and let's get on to that. So it's not perfect, but there we go. So I'm gonna resize the happy a little bit smaller, like that. And now I'm gonna do the birthday. So another layer, and this one goes above the happy. I'm gonna do it with white, and it is the same thing that we did with the subscribe. Okay, because I am using white and I'm not gonna be able to see, I am going to get rid of the background for now. So basically like that, and then I'm gonna start to write. I'm gonna resize it and I'm gonna put it right there. So now we can turn on the background again, and there you go. It's not as perfect as this one, but basically you can see how I did it. I am gonna merge every single layer so we have the sticker. So let's make the last one. So we're gonna do the love one. So what we're gonna do, add a new layer, put it below, and start the process. So I'm gonna make the heart, and with the same brush, okay, so that is the best I can do. So we're gonna resize it, and basically if you put distort, you can actually make it a little bit more even. So like that. And then I'm gonna resize it like that. And we are going to put the color. So now for like the slime, I call it, we're gonna select another layer on top of the heart, and we're gonna select first this color. Let's go to here. You're just gonna go like this, and you're gonna fill this with the color. Okay, so now that we have all of these slimy parts, we're gonna select white and just make like these lines. So now we're gonna add another layer. So we have layer 9, 10, and 11. So we are here in 11. So let's do the love. So now that we have all of our stickers, I'm gonna show you how to make them actually stickers. And what I mean by that is how you can print these and still get like this effect. So first we are gonna get rid of the background and the layer number 1. So we are left with these. Okay, so we are gonna make a layer for every single sticker. Let's do that first. And we're gonna put it below every sticker. So every sticker is gonna have a layer below them. Okay, so let's start with the top. So this is the one that we're gonna make. Make sure you are drawing in the layer that we made. Like this. And what you want to do is drag the color, and what that's gonna do is fill in the heart. So now that you have this, you can actually merge them together, and there you go. That is how you're gonna cut your stickers, and you're gonna do this with every single sticker. So I'm gonna show you another so you can see. Let's do the light one. Okay, so now that we have the white outline, we're gonna drag the color, and that is gonna fill the clouds. So what we're gonna do now is merge them, and that is how you get your sticker. And you're gonna end up with this. So remember that every single thing that I make has layers. So imagine that first we have this layer, this layer, this layer, and so on. And everything I do is with layers. Like, it's the same exact thing. And you just gotta make sure your layers are where you want them to be, below or above. This is how you're gonna get these stickers. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.